Lesson 5.6, practice number 1. Clementine started her summer with 4 books to read. Each book is the same length. After 2 weeks, she has read 7/8 of one book. How much does she have left? So we have our 4 books, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we take one of the books and say that she's read 7 of it, we could cross off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7/8. You could cross off from the right side. This just visually makes more sense to me. So how much does she have left? Well, she still has, change colors here, she still has 1, 2, 3, and she still has this 1/8. So she's going to have 3 wholes and 1/8 left. Our equation would be 4 books subtract 7/8 of one book is going to be 3 and 1/8. If we start on the line, we would start at the 4 and subtract 7/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which would leave us the 3 and 1/8. Juana started her summer with 4 books. 4 books again. This one's just a little bit different. Each book is the same length. After 3 weeks, she's read 1 5/8 books. So this is almost the same, except we're starting with the 4, subtracting 1 5/8. So we have the 4. We're going to take off 1 whole 1. So 1 book is done. And then 5/8 of another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how much does she have left? Let me change color. She's got 1 book, 2 books, plus 1, 2, 3. So this is going to be 2 books and 3/8. Be careful that you don't just say 4 subtract 1 is 3 and then 5/8. That could be dangerous, or even 4 subtract 1 is 3, and then subtract 5 is 3/8. So be careful you're actually taking off 1 complete book first, and then it's taking off from the 3rd book. So our answer is, if you start from here, on the number line down below, we would start with the 4, you take off 1 book down to the 3, and then you take off 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/8. That leaves us with 2 and 3/8. 2 and 3/8 books.